Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to retouch the complete face of a human. So using the knowledge that we gained from the previous tutorials about spot healing and retouching eyes and teeth, we are going to use all that knowledge in this image and just retouch the face of this model over here. So to start with, we are going to just duplicate the background layer. So duplicate layer and name it as retouch and press enter. So using this retouch layer, we are going to work with this image. So let's start with the spot healing brush. I'll just zoom into the image. So using the spot healing brush, I'll just heal the parts of the image that I find like they're having spots and they're not clear enough. So I'll just heal those spots and make the face kind of look clearer and cleaner. So I've removed the spots. I don't want to remove everything, like I don't want to remove all the details out of the face. So I'll just remove the small spots that are on the face, nothing else. Now done with the spot healing, so we are just going to move with the dodge tool. So using the dodge tool, we are just going to work with the eyes over here and just going to make them a little whiter than normal. We can always adjust from the opacity slider, so no need to worry about making them too white or something. They will automatically get adjusted. So let's not make them too white, and using the sponge tool and keeping the mode as saturate, let's reduce the size and just kind of saturate this eyeball over here. So as you can see, I have saturated the eyeball. Same way with this eye as well. So I've saturated the eyeball. Let's saturate the lips as well. So we are done with the lips part as well. Again, go to the dodge tool, keep the size as same and just whiten the teeth using the dodge tool. We are done with this as well. Now use the burn tool and just drag it across the eyebrows so to make them a little darker. Just like this. Now again working with the sponge tool. It is going to be confusing for a lot of you guys if you haven't watched the previous videos and tutorials. So yeah, this is the way Photoshop works. You have to be precise as well as you need to have clear understanding of what you are doing and what you want with the image. So I'll increase the size even more, 114, and just work with the hairs using the saturation tool.
Decided to stay forever. Decided to stay forever. Forever.
So we are done with the hairs part as well now. So as you can see, if we just kind of make the layer not visible, this is the way the image was earlier, all with the spots and not so sharp colors, and this is what we have done. So you might notice some changes and we don't want those changes because these are the extreme editing. So we are just going to go to the opacity slider and reduce the opacity to around 45. So now if we take a peek at the image, this is the normal image and this is the edited. Not much difference, but this one still looks better than the before one. It's because the teeth are more white and the colors are little saturated in this case. You can also do one thing, just go to the adjustments and using the vibrance tool, just slide the vibrance so you can adjust even more without losing the tone of the image. So let's turn everything off. This is the normal image, this is the retouching part, and this is the vibrance. So after adding the vibrance, the image looks even better now. So well, that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.